Welcome to this brief tutorial focused on using the Browse feature in the Atlas system. The Browse feature allows users to find specific units in the AIS Atlas system. The additional academic year filter allows users to find any unit in the AIS Atlas system since 2005-2006. Let's say I'm a third grade teacher and I would like to know what resources were used in the past in the unit How We Express Ourselves. Choosing the grade 3 filter, the units of inquiry filter, and randomly choosing the 2012-2013 academic year, I can browse when I click on the course from that year. I see a list of the various units archived. So if I choose How We Express Ourselves, I enter the unit planner as it was left at the time of archive. All resources that were attached in 2012-2013 can still be accessed by simply clicking. I can also see the list of teachers who collaborated on this unit. Some of them are still at AIS, and perhaps they could answer questions about resources and unit development that I and my team might have. Let's say the grade 6 Lang and Lit team discovers numerous copies of The House on Mango Street in the book room. The reading level seems appropriate for their current students. As they begin exploring the use of this text further, they hear that maybe it was used in the past in grade 9. They can use the Browse feature to look into the archived grade 9 language and literature units. In this case, they would choose the grade 9 filter, the language and literature English filter, and maybe just 3 randomly chosen academic years. And here they have a list of the units where they can begin looking. The 2006-2007 academic year, perhaps this unit, Personal Growth and the Creation of a Personal Identity, might be where they will find information. As they scroll through that particular unit, they see in the resources section the House on Mango Street, some learning activities, and quite a few linked resources, in addition to various summative and formative assessments. In the 2010-2011 school year, there's the Where I'm From unit that they look into to discover that the House on Mango Street unit evolved, still with resources attached, perhaps ideas for learning experiences aligning with objectives. And then, last but not least, in their 2013-14, there's this unit called the Human Journey. In the Human Journey, we see that the unit planner is now the equivalent of what we know as the Next Chapter MYP. And there is still House on Mango Street resources and activities in this unit. Each unit from these randomly selected years show an evolution over time as new staff have joined collaborative teams in grade 9. Now the grade 6 Lang and Lit team have some ideas and resources to inform their decision making and planning. If the grade 6 team does decide to move forward and would like to use one of the past units from the archive, they can easily use the copy unit from the Actions menu. By simply following the steps as prompted, the archived unit is brought forward into the current academic year. What will you choose to browse in the AIS Atlas system?